I'm going to begin by adding some pigment but using the side of the pencil. I'm using a 140-pound watercolour paper. It's a knot surface, which means that the texture is going to show on this surface and give us a really lovely result. As I introduce the water, you'll notice how bright the colour is. It's quite surprising because when you see the colour initially put down on the paper, the difference is not as obvious. It's fabulous colours. If we just mix the two, so you get some lovely blending. And of course you can then remove the pigment with the brush and actually paint some brush strokes. So you can transfer the pigment on your drawing and make it more painterly if you wish. So we'll begin in the sky. Now we don't want the texture, so we'll just gently rub that in. The Graphitint gives a wonderful soft feel, quite suggestive. As we move down to the tree, we're best to touch the bright side first. If we just touch the Graphitint, you'll see how suddenly, from an ordinary drawing, we've got a fabulous bright light, bright suggestion of colour. If we now move on to the darker side of the tree, the more water you introduce, the more the paint will run, the pigment will run. What's nice about this is you get this lovely flocculation. It's a natural separation of the graphite in the pencil, so you get this lovely texture.